Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix audio issues on your Xbox One or X if you are using a controller and is connected to a headset or something like that. Now, most of the time, this happens for that specific reason is because we are using an outdated version of our controller. So we want to go to devices and connections right here. Go to controllers and headset. So if you plug in your headset to your controller, you need to do this. Otherwise, it may not be working. So go down to the three little lines on your controller and then go to where it says update available and just simply update now and update your controller. And this should go ahead and get to work. Now, other times you might be using your headset and maybe you're using something from, I don't know, maybe like a phone you bought or something like that. And a lot of these headsets, they have like a mute button on them. So like this one, for example, this one might have a little mute button on it. Just make sure it's not muted. Then also make sure the volume is turned up enough and there's no option preventing it from actually working. So just inspect this a little bit. It might actually be muted, and then go back over to your Xbox and you can see my controller does not need an update and I'm good to go. And we can back out under here and then we can go to general, go to volume and audio output. And just make sure we have everything set up on here. Stereo uncompressed should work for everything. Otherwise, we can switch the headset audio to like Windows Sonic for headphones or something like that. And then go to additional options under here. And we can look at this. And maybe putting on mono output will work. But then we're going to get the same audio in the earpieces. So you could try that if you want. We can go to mute speaker audio when headset is attached. This will mute your TV speakers in the background. We can go to party chat output. We can just put this to headset or something if we want also. And then we can look at the chat mixer. Maybe if it's not loud enough, just go to do nothing. And then we can press the Xbox button, going down to where it says sound. And just make sure when you have your headset plugged in, this is actually turned up all the way under here too. Otherwise, the volume will be way too low. So I'm going to plug mine in right now. And it should pop up. If you do not get anything, it's just gray like that, your headset is probably not connected. So that's a good indication it's not going to work. Now you can turn on your headset mic right here. Make sure it's turned on. Otherwise, it's going to be muted if it says off. And then make sure your headset volume is all the way, at least to the right, maybe like 70% or something like that, so you don't ruin your ears. Then the headset chat mixer right here, if you have it to the left, this is going to be your game sound. If you have it to the right, this is going to be your party audio. So typically I leave it maybe like 65% to the right, so I can hear my friends a little bit more than the game sound. And then mic monitoring is a good way to test this out. Just max this out right now. And then you can hear yourself speak in your headset. So you know it's working. And then you can maybe go down to like 70% under here too. And then we should be good to go. So the most important thing is make sure you're not muting your own headset too. And you have it turned on under this setting. So if we are in a party chat, maybe I'm in a party chat right now, just make sure you didn't mute your own microphone under here. So you might have muted everyone. So just unmute everyone. And then make sure you're in the game chat with everyone, or in the party chat. So this is off too. And then we should be good to go. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.